firefighter is ordered to pull the standard 200-foot inch and 3/4 pre-connect, flowing 150 gallons per minute. To begin this problem, place the known information into the formula. Pump pressure equals 100 psi nozzle pressure for a fog nozzle plus friction loss rate times 2 for 200 feet of hose. To determine the FLR, take 150 gallons per minute and convert it to equivalent flow to 2.5 inch hose. The conversion factor is 2 for inch and 3/4 hose. 150 times 2 equals 300. Then divide the 300 by 100, which equals 3. Use 3 for 2 times 3 squared, which equals 18. 18 equals the friction loss rate per length of 100 foot of hose.
Now that we know our friction loss rate, we can add it to the problem. So, pump pressure equals 100, the nozzle pressure, plus 18, the friction loss rate, times 2 for the length of hose. So pump pressure equals 100 plus 36 for a total of 136 psi.